We are doing this, baby. What day today?
11th
11. Show your
July.
photo. Show your mobile. Ayan, oh. Where? July 11.
July 11.
Yeah. Now it's July 11. So, her mama birthday. Her mama.
His mama.
His mama. His mama birthday is July 27. So, we will surprise her flowers and cake. Okay, so we'll check online now. But this we will upload in 27. Okay, to check, we'll check online which online shop we can buy flowers and cake for your mama. She don't understand. Hello guys, we find out the website for his mama birthday. So this one. Yan. This is near in city.
Yeah, it's in the city.
And the city that we will buy, we will order advance because we want to customize for his mama flowers and cake.
Yeah.
So finally we find out. So let's choose.
Check. Actually.
Hello guys. Yeah, today is his mama birthday, July 27. And we have a lot of tension because our the delivery maybe the
We have asked to deliver in India online, and this was so much stressful because they were not replying, they were not saying anything, where they are, what time they will be delivering. So we were in so much stress. Finally, it was supposed to be delivered 2 to 3 hours back, but finally it has been delivered. So now we will call our mama and wish her, because she
Yes,
must be
it's-
so much angry that I forgot her
yes,
birthday.
it's my mistake.
It's not mistake, but at least because she was thinking that this is the first time I did not wish her before, and she must be waiting for that. So let's see her reaction.
Yes.
And how she receive our call.
Yes, because I told him don't message since yesterday and call her since she's third day, because we really want her to have surprise for her birthday, because we want her to be happy like that because we love her. Okay, let's see. Yeah. See. Hello, auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ma.
থ্যাংক ইউ বেটা।
পেয়ে গেছো?
আর বল। হ্যাঁ ভালো পেয়ে গেছি জিনিস, তোকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করেছি।
আচ্ছা দেখিনি। ভালো লেগেছে?
হ্যাঁ, খুব খুব সুন্দর।
এই জন্য আমি ফোন করিনি আগে, যে তুমি পেয়ে যাও তারপরে ফোন করব। আমি ওদিকে ট্র্যাক করছিলাম যে ওরা কখন ডেলিভার করবে, অনেক মানে দিমাগ খারাপ করছিল ওরা।
Happy birthday.
থ্যাংক ইউ
I love you. How are you?
ফাইন।
Oh my God, I'm so sorry because we call late because of the delivery.
ও বলছে যে মানে ও সরি বলছে, কেন কি ওর জন্য আমি মানে আমরা ফোন করিনি। ও বলছিল যে সারপ্রাইজ দেবো আগে তারপরে ফোন করব। তুমি ও ওয়েট করছিল। হ্যাঁ।
How are you?
আর কোথায়
আমরা একটু
কোথায় যাচ্ছিস?
যাচ্ছিলাম একটু খাবো কোথাও, দেখি। আর
আচ্ছা।
হ্যাঁ, এদিকে বাচ্চে 2:45 বাজছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ
আমাদের খাওয়া দাওয়া হয়ে গেছে। আজকে দিদা মাংস আনিছিল, মিষ্টি আনিছে, মাসিদেরকে বলেছিল খাওয়ার জন্য।
হ্যাঁ দেখলাম ভিডিওতে মাসিও আছে। কি বলছিল?
What is her feeling when you didn't greet her morning and everything?
মানে ও জিজ্ঞেস করছে যে তোমাকে কেমন লাগছিল যে আমরা ফোন করিনি বা কিছু, ভাবছে লেগেছে।
না না, আমি বুঝে গেছিলাম।
She said that she already guessed that she will receive something.
Oh my God! So it's like not surprise. Yeah, because we want to surprise you. That's why we didn't message or call. So now, just now, few minutes back, we received the confirmation and video from that what is shop? That shop, baby, no?
Yeah.
That you receive,
cake.
yeah, that you receive already the flowers and cake. So that we call you. And
কি বললো?
বলছে যে এখনই আমরা কনফার্মেশন পেলাম যে ওরা তোমাকে ডেলিভার করলো, ভিডিও পাঠিয়েছিল আমাদেরকে যে
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
কনফার্মেশন হওয়ার পরে তারপরে আমরা উইশ করব আর কি, তাই বলছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। হ্যাঁ, ঘরে এসে ফটো তুললে তারপর গেছে।
ওকে বলা হয়েছিল যে ভিডিও তুলতে ঠিক করে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
She said that he came and took the video and everything.
he's surprised. What is your handa? What is
Yeah, she my grandma make food and
food
everything.
and everything?
Yeah. বলছি যে মা মানে দিদা বানিয়েছে তোমার জন্য মিষ্টি ওসব বানিয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ।
And she invited my aunt also for lunch.
Oh.
They already
What they
ate
cook?
mutton.
Yeah. Did she have a cake with you below? Wait, no.
No, there is no cake. Now she got the cake.
I know, yeah. She got already.
হ্যাঁ, মানে জিজ্ঞেস করছে যে তুমি কেক কাট করেছো, তো কেক কাট
না না, করবো বিকেলে কাটবো।
ইভিনিং she will do it.
মাসিরাও আছে।
হ্যাঁ,
I tell her
ও
send
একবারে
a photo.
ফটো তুলো।
কেক কাটারও ফটো পাঠাবো,
হ্যাঁ পাঠিও।
তাই না?
ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে বেটা, ভালো।
She happy?
Yeah, she said.
You happy?
জিজ্ঞেস করছে তুমি খুশি? হ্যাঁ।
হ্যাঁ,
Yeah.
খুব খুশি।
Yeah, happy birthday again, auntie. You always take care, okay? Take care
Okay.
always. Bye-bye. We love you.
বাই
Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy
Bye.
birthday. Did say I love you
Thank
to
you.
mama.
I love you বলছে, I love you আমিও বলছি। হ্যাঁ,
Love you.
ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ, বাই।
ঠিক ঠিক।
Bye-bye.
প্রণাম নিও, হ্যাঁ
Bye.
প্রণাম নিও।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আশীর্বাদ।
Just we are asking for a blessing.
Okay. Yan, so his mama, she didn't surprise, expecting already.
Yeah, no, I mean she knows that something is there, but not like this.
Okay. Then she told her, asked her to send photo with the, what is this?
Cake cut.
Cake. Yeah. So we'll add here the photo that when we are choosing the cake. Right. Actually, we spend so much money on that surprise to make her more happy. But the thing is that the order, what is that, baby? The shop, what we'll call it, the website. Okay, the website which we order is not really good.
But at least the delivery.
Yes, it's like expectation versus reality. But still, we are happy and thankful because wow, we did it. And also the video is nice. We did it. Okay, this is her mama birthday, and thank you for watching us. Thanks to God because we successful give her surprise on her birthday.
Okay.
Okay, see you in our next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
केक दे दे।
এই রান্না নাই।
अरे हो गया। कर लेता हूँ।
ओहो,
हैप्पी बर्थडे आपका बर्थडे
थैंक यू।
कोई है कि देखो चलो अंदर
अंदर आ जाओ।
अंदर रखवा दो
नीली जरा
देख के नहीं गिरना चाहते क्या?
केक को भी आया है क्या?
हाँ
ओ तेरी, वो भी डबल डबल खाना छोटे भी
এটা কি
ये डबल पीस है। हाँ
ও তাই তো
अच्छा,
আমি
कुछ
বলি যে
करना
কালকে সন্ধ্যা